Many people believe that astrology holds the key to unlocking financial success. But can the stars really guide you to wealth? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of financial astrology, how planetary movements, birth charts, and cosmic cycles may influence financial decisions. From legendary financiers who consulted astrologers to modern traders timing the markets with planetary transits, we'll break down the facts, the myths, and whether astrology is truly a wealth-building tool. So if you're ready to see if the cosmos holds the blueprint for abundance, keep watching. Astrology has been an integral part of human history for thousands of years. While some see it as a tool for personal insight, others believe it can shape their financial destiny. Many successful investors and business owners have turned to astrology to make key decisions, claiming that planetary alignments impact everything from stock prices to entrepreneurial success. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether astrology can truly be a powerful tool for wealth building, or if it's just another celestial illusion. The idea that astrology influences financial markets isn't new. Some of the most successful figures in history have been linked to astrological guidance. J.P. Morgan, one of the most powerful financiers in history, is rumored to have consulted astrologer Evangeline Adams. He allegedly said, "Millionaires don't use astrology, billionaires do." While this quote's authenticity is debated, the sentiment has kept financial astrology alive in elite circles. W.D. Gann, a legendary stock trader, incorporated astrological cycles into his trading strategies. He studied planetary alignments and used them to predict price movements with remarkable accuracy. Even today, some investors use lunar cycles and planetary transits to time their trades. They argue that major market movements often align with astrological patterns, whether by coincidence or by hidden cosmic design. So how does financial astrology actually work? At its core, financial astrology is the study of how planetary movements and cycles correlate with economic trends, market shifts, and personal wealth-building opportunities. It combines traditional astrology with economic forecasting to help individuals make informed financial decisions. Let's break it down into three key areas: birth charts and wealth indicators. Your birth chart, also known as your natal chart, is like a cosmic blueprint of your strengths, challenges, and tendencies, including how you handle money. There are specific placements that astrologers look at when they're assessing financial potential. The second house. This house represents personal income, assets, and how you manage money. Planets here can indicate whether wealth comes easily or requires effort. The eighth house. This house is the house of investments, shared resources, and financial transformation. Strong placements here may indicate success in trading, investing, or even inheritance. The 10th house. This house rules career, reputation, and long-term success. A well-placed Jupiter or Venus here could signal financial abundance through professional achievement. Transits and market timing. Beyond personal charts, astrologers also track planetary transits, how the planets move in real time, and how they impact the economy. Some planetary key influences include Jupiter and Saturn cycles. Jupiter represents expansion and opportunity, while Saturn represents discipline and contraction. Their interactions often align with major economic shifts. Mercury retrograde. Now, this infamous period When Mercury appears to move backward, it's associated with miscommunications, delays, and market volatility. It's often advised to avoid making major financial decisions during this time. Eclipses and full moons. These celestial events can trigger sudden changes, market corrections, and shifts in economic sentiment. So, how do people actually apply astrology in their financial lives? Investing. Some investors follow planetary cycles, believing that certain transits indicate bullish or bearish trends. For example, when Jupiter moves into a favorable position, some traders view it as a signal for market expansion. In business launches, entrepreneurs often consult astrology to determine the best time to start a business, sign contracts, or make big moves. Choosing an astrologically lucky day is believed to be the foundation for long-term success. In career and wealth planning, by understanding personal astrology, some individuals align career choices with planetary strengths. For instance, someone with a strong Venus placement may thrive in beauty, finance, or luxury industries. Of course, not everyone is convinced that astrology can predict financial success. Misconceptions and mistakes. Some people mistakenly believe certain zodiac signs are naturally lucky or unlucky with money. In reality, financial astrology is far more complex than just your sun sign. Others assume astrology alone can replace financial education and strategy, which can lead to poor financial decision making. Mainstream finance and economics largely dismiss astrology as pseudoscience, arguing that market movements are driven by data, psychology, and geopolitical events rather than planetary alignments. While some traders claim success with astrology, skeptics argue that it may be a case of confirmation bias, seeing patterns where none exist. So the big question, can astrology actually make you rich? The reality is, astrology isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool, one that can provide insight, but it works best when paired with sound financial knowledge, strategic planning, and disciplined decision-making. Think of astrology like a GPS. It can suggest the best route, warn you of potential obstacles, and highlight opportunities. But you still have to drive the car, avoid roadblocks, and make smart financial moves along the way. The key takeaway is that the most successful people use multiple tools: financial literacy, market analysis, and sometimes astrology to make informed financial decisions. If astrology resonates with you, use it. Just remember, it's a guide, not a guarantee. This deep dive into financial astrology has been really fascinating. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever used astrology for financial decisions? Do you believe that planetary cycles impact the markets? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on wealth building strategies. Until next time, may the stars align in your favor.